All right, happy Tuesday, everyone. Today is October 18th. My name is Sung Park. These are my credentials, and let me give you a quick update on AddPicto, an add-on for Google Workspace. I'm just gonna move this over here. As you can see, this is the AddPicto. The way you would do that is just under add-ons. You should be able to find it. Once you have launched it, you'll be able to see these various three tabs. The first is mask, the next is infographics, and the third is slides. We're still working on slides, but let me give you an update on what we've been doing on the infographic side. So essentially now the unique infographic icons are now live. So what I mean by that is currently we have these various icons which you can search for, like car or something like that. And then you can select that icon, and then you could have various inputs like, oh, I don't know, 3.4. And then you can see that it's 3.4 filled out of 4. If I were to change this to 5, you can see that 3.4 is filled out of 5. All good stuff. Great. I'm just going to go to a different screen so you can have a clearer view. So what's now live is this thing called Unique Infographic Icons. And you can see that there's one here that looks just like a vector shape, which it is. I'm just going to remove this. And now if I were to just click on the pie and then 0.4, you can see that 40% of this pie is filled. I could change the starting point as well. So you could see that this could be things that could be like, oh, in 15 minutes or 15 seconds or anything like that. Or you could say that it's an hour and 30 minutes. And again, you could change the color, all good stuff. Now, so that is the unique infographics for vector shapes. And what we've also been working on is for pings. So I'll give you an example. So we have this ping here. If I were to just insert this as is, you'll see that it's a transparent ping of a picture. And you'll see that there's like this gray looking thing filled, like so. But if you did not want that gray color, all you would have to do is change this default color to 0. And so what that means is that's the opacity. Now you can see that this is blank. Actually, I'm gonna select this and then click on Insert Info. And what that will do is whatever you see in this preview will be then updated to whatever you've selected. And while it's doing that, there you go. Now you can see that that little gray is gone. But what else can you do? Well, one thing you could do is, I'm going to change this back to blue, is to say, I don't want the pie, I want a bar. I want it going from the bottom up, and I want this to be 0.2. You could have a different color, 0.2, another color of 0.1, and another color of, I don't know, 0.1. And I can say insert with the same vase selected. And now you can see that I have a vase with different colors filled. Another thing you could do is under this completely different column, I could say 1.5. And again, I'm going to select this and insert. And what you will see is a total of 4 pictures, one with all of these increments and another that's 1.5. So I'm just going to delete this. I'm going to reset all of these to 0, like so. Great. And I'm going to get rid of this for now. And let's go back to the infographics and let's click on this glass. I'm going to insert it. As noted before, the opacity of the default color is 0. So that's why you're not seeing that default color as that filled in that ping. Now, in this case, this particular ping is transparent, meaning the actual inside of glass. You can see that it's transparent to glass itself. Okay, I'm actually going to do copy and paste. There we go. And now if I were to fill this with, oh, I don't know, red, let's say 1, actually 1.5, and click insert. And you'll see that 1.2 will be filled out of two glasses. And you can see that where there is no fill, that area is still transparent. So yeah, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this functionality. I think it could be kind of neat if you wanted to have, for example, some infographics of how to make mixed drinks, for example. That could be great. Or if you are a wine seller, you want to highlight the number of wines that you've sold, that could also be great. You could also have it in a different directions, as noted. So if you want to say you sold, I don't know, 10, 10, and you wanted to do 2, there we go, insert. There we go. So yeah, now I have 20 bottles, 10 that are red and 10 that are blue. Anyways, hope you enjoy this, and we'll continue to tweak it and work on it. The thing that we're going to be working on next is this entering the Sheets URL so that we can link the infographics to your Google Sheets data. Anyways, enjoy the rest of your week, and I will talk to you next week. Bye.